rongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hooker force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Hare hare mai, o Taringa hare hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody, gather up close everybody. Kani kani move that body, kani kani move that body.
E ngā iwi katoa, tēnā koutou, nau mai hoki mai, anei anō māua ko Snow ko te puaheiri pū. E mihi atu ana kia koutou, tēnā koutou.
Tēnā koutou katoa.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā koe ho?
Tēnā hoki koe.
Tēnā hoki koe nā. Tātāwa kaupapa i tēnei wiki is a-o.
A me te o.
Oh.
Still quite a bit of deliberation about some parts, or?
Yeah, still quite a lot of people going, is it a or o? And the answer would be aua.
Aua.
And aua is our kiwaha.
Aye, kia ora. You might hear a lot of those today. If Paraone asks me, is this an a and o? I'll just go,
yeah.
Aua.
Real easy, that's a good easy kiwaha. That's a standalone kiwaha. So you don't necessarily need to use it in a sentence. It's used as a hea tātātou whakamahi aua. It's an expression of, well, not knowing really.
Yeah, not knowing. Yeah. That's your reply if you don't have an idea.
Yeah.
No
idea.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Still no idea.
Yeah, and you say, oh, aua.
Aua, yeah.
Yep, and you can even add a hoki onto it to even make it a bit more, aua hoki.
Aua hoki.
That's like, I really don't know.
Yeah.
And you can even put an e before it.
Aye.
So you can say e aua.
E aua, yeah. You can hear a lot of people sometimes, they just go, oh.
Yeah, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely, that's another rendering of aua.
Aye.
Oh.
Oh.
Very Māori. So there you go e te iwi. You got aua, e aua, aua hoki.
Aua hoki.
And o.
Yeah, it's good enough.
Yeah.
It's good enough. Yeah.
Ka mātua i tēnā.
Aye.
Yeah.
Aye.
So koe nā te kiwaha o tēnei wiki, aua, and we'll be using it quite a bit naturally, I think.
Well, that's how it came about. Our sound man, Morgan, asked us, what's our kiwaha for today? And I said, aua. And he goes, what does that mean? I said, that's our kiwaha.
There you go.
There you go.
So koe nā tātātou kiwaha, aua. And our kaupapa today on this instalment of Taringa, brought to you by Te Wānanga o Te Roa, coming out of the Ipuro, bustling metropolis of Te Aomatu. Haven't said that in a while. No.
Just to remind everyone how bustling Te Aomatu is.
Hey, it does get bustling.
It does.
Bustles. It does bustle.
It does bustle.
In the mornings and that, you get the Te Aomatu traffic.
Te Aomatu traffic. There's a few car chases in the lunch, during the lunch hour.
That did happen a few weeks ago too.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Hoi no, anei māua e whakapāhoa tuku ana hiko nei i te wānanga o te roa ki te Aomatu nei, ki te Ipuro. And our kaupapa, we're back with kupu.
Aye.
So even though we have, te reo, and te reo is a big part of Taringa. Koena te tino o Taringa. Aye. But kupu, just to jog your memories, when kupu, meaning word, we're talking about an aspect of Te Reo Māori. An aspect of Te Reo Māori. Something about Te Reo Māori. So we've done mihi in the past. We've talked about terms of address.
Aye.
We've talked about Te Reo Ōpaki and Te Reo Ōkawa. We haven't done Te Reo Ōkawa. We've done a bit of Ōpaki.
Done a bit of it, yeah.
Ōkawa's another one.
Aye.
We'll do another one. Today, we're going to be talking about a-o. Dun, dun. And I know a-o freaks some real people that are learning te reo, and even actually people that are pretty good speakers of te reo Māori, they still stuff up with the a-o.
Yeah, you can hear it slip here and there, eh?
Yep.
Hear it slip in there, but I would say if you're just learning, master those bits, man, and then you don't have to worry about it again.
Yep.
because I am one that is just starting to grasp the concept, actually having it second nature where I'm not having to think about it. Oh, here comes a sentence, which where do I use? And then you go to the neutral.
Yeah.
But don't learn the neutral first.
No, don't be lazy. We're not even going to talk about it.
What neutral?
Let's not even talk about it in this episode
Aye.
because we don't want people to be mangere
Aye.
or mā-iko-iko.
Mā-iko-iko, aye.
No, we want you to, have a bit better understanding of the a o. For those of you that are just starting out learning Te Reo Māori and not so comfortable with the a o, hopefully this gives you a bit more confidence, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, I think there's a few diagrams, there's a few plans where it helps explain it. And the best thing to do is to find one that suits your grasp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A good place to start would be with te wheke.
Te wheke.
No te wheke out of utu, koe nā takupu Māori mo te octopus. Ne? Wheke. W-H-E-K-E. And an octopus has
8 tentacles.
8 tentacles. And ko te kupu Māori mo te tentacle, kawe.
Kawe.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
So kawe is the kupu Māori, the Māori word for tentacle. And there are 8 tentacles we're going to use. And this wheke was devised or made up by Pānea Papa and Te Heketu Leon Blake. It's got 8 tentacles, and we're going to talk about each one in its relationship, the all category.
Aye.
Okay. So first kawe, we're going to talk about puaheiri is.
Whakaora.
Okay, so that's the first kawe, the first tentacle. Now, whakaora meaning things that
Bring not nourishment, not sustenance.
vitality.
Vitality, yes.
Yeah, vitality. Good for your well-being.
Yep.
We can actually have a little bit of a debate here.
Yeah, there are some
Yeah.
debatable aspects of this.
Yeah. So definitely rongoa comes
Rongoa.
into whakaora.
Yep.
So rongoa, medicine,
Yep.
both traditional and contemporary,
Yep.
falls in the all category as whakaora.
Whakaora. Wai Māori?
Wai Māori.
What is the difference?
What is the difference? So wai Māori, lowercase m in this
Kia ora.
instance,
Kia ora.
meaning natural, normal, unsullied, unadulterated.
Unadulterated.
So natural water. So that, he wai ora tera.
Aye.
So that comes under, that's in the all category. As soon as you add something to it,
Ka tā hawa tia.
ka tā hawa tia te wai, it's not wai anymore.
Yep.
But what if you mixed it with kawakawa?
Aye.
Well, then it's rongoa.
It's he rongoa.
Okay, so it's still in the
So
all
it goes
category.
from Wai Māori to being rongoa.
Yes.
Pēnā rongoa,
Yeah.
even though Wai Māori is a rongoa,
Yeah.
it's still an o.
Yeah. So wai Māori, and actually maybe we'll leave the little wānanga for later.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah,
We
yeah,
don't want to
'cause
be confuse everybody.
We should have started on a different kawe, but hoi no.
Yeah, so
That's a good
we'll
one
come back
park.
to this kawe.
Aye.
So yeah, whakaora. So things, so even, your plaster, whakaora tērā.
And ointment. So
Ointments,
external application
Yep.
that brings
Yep,
a healing, eh?
yep. So that's whakaora. Next one,
Whakaora, I think we should go to whanaunga.
whanaunga. So whanaunga, all category, meaning, in the context of the kawe
Aye.
or kawe or, is anybody above you in the genealogical tree.
Aye.
So your mother, your father, your uncles, your aunties, your grandparents, your tūpuna. So tōku māma, tōku pāpā, ōku tūpuna,
Aye.
they're all, there's an all category. And in the same generation of as yourself.
Aye, kia ora.
So tōku teina. So even though he's younger than you, your teina, or he might not even be younger, depending what sort of teina, could be teina in terms of their genealogical placement.
Yeah, yep.
So they might be of a junior line,
Junior
so
line,
to
yes.
speak,
Yep.
but they're still the same generation.
What examples there is that say like your father's youngest brother's son? is it your
your
tō teina?
Yep. So my father's youngest brother's son may be older than me,
Yes.
but he'd still be considered a teina.
So a good thing.
Trust you to come up with, confusing.
Confussing.
Someone will be going, oh, aua.
Yeah, like, wai o
Are you a
tēnā?
teina or tuakana? Oh, aua.
Yeah.
But definitely your younger brothers, your younger sisters, your younger cousins,
Yep.
they're teina.
And so your partner?
Yes. Well, this is where we're gonna come. We're gonna come back.
Yeah.
We're gonna come back to that one. Maybe you should write that down. So remember,
I think
we're gonna
I'm
come back.
taking notes.
We're gonna talk about the wai. We're gonna talk about partners as areas we need to have a wānanga on. Third kawe.
Third kawe, whakaahua.
Whakaahua. Okay, so these are adjectives. So these are quality of a person. So,
Aye.
they're tō nui.
Aye.
Te nui o te whare. Ne? Te iti o te whare.
Aye.
Te kino o te tangata.
O te tangata, yeah. A quality of
The quality of that person. Te pai o te tangata.
Aye.
The goodness of that person.
Ka nui
Do
tēnā.
you want to have a go at that one?
Well, I think it's you look at the characteristics of something,
Yeah.
the quality of something,
Yes.
and the look of something.
There you go.
Be it a person or an object
Yes.
or a building. So like Paraone used te nui o te whare,
Yeah.
the size of it, the quality. Those are the all
Te
categories.
kino o te whare.
Te kino o te whare.
Yeah. Te tawhito o te whare.
Aye.
The age of the house.
Te maeke o te whare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tō pakeke.
Aye.
Your age.
Your age.
Okay.
E hio o tau.
Yeah.
Because would that be that's quality,
Yep. Quality. So also, whakaaro. So
Yes.
ōku whakaaro.
Ōku
So my
whakaaro.
thoughts.
Yep.
Ōku kare aroto. My
Aye.
emotions.
Yes.
So these all come under whakaahua.
Whakaahua, yeah, because
Yeah.
they are also qualities.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've always known that the internal aspects of yourself come under the o.
Yep. Well, that's where you got a double because it's wāhanga.
Yes.
So wāhanga, this is our next
This is
kawe
another
kawe.
kawe. Yep. Yeah.
So wāhanga, hea te wāhanga?
Parts of.
Part of.
So one thing is because kai is not a kawe o, some people get confused for how te kai o te pō.
Yeah.
Whereas it's actually indicating a part of the time
Yes.
of the day or the night.
That's right.
Yeah, so that's one there that I've always held on to remember.
Yeah. And that's actually a good example because some people, they get a bit confused because they, kai is a category. And then they will, they'll say, oh, then it's kai a te pō.
Yes.
Well, the night isn't eating the food.
Yeah, that's not a possessive of the night.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a wahanga of the night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a good one. Wahanga would be te kuaha o te whare.
Yep.
He
The
wahanga,
door of the house.
The door of the house.
Yep.
He matapihi o te whare.
Yep. Te ringa o taku tinana.
Te manaakitanga
Yes.
o te marae.
Yes. Yep.
Because manaaki is an action,
Yep.
and that's an R for you listeners. An
Yeah.
R, yeah. But if it's an aspect, well, it's a quality then.
Exactly.
Guys, I've shot myself in the foot.
It's like te tikanga o te marae.
Aye.
Yep. So that's wāhanga, te wira o te motoka, the wheel of the car.
Yeah.
He wāhanga no taringa, te kupu.
Ah, kia ora. No.
Ana? Te wāhanga o, he wāhanga no.
Ah, kia ora.
Aye.
Could you elaborate for our listeners, please?
Maybe on another episode.
Another episode. I'm getting teached here. I'm getting learned. Pai tonu e kore te wānanga e mutu.
What's our next wāhanga? Our next wāhanga e hoa? Te
Our next
kawe.
wāhanga is waka.
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 So waka transport.
Yes. Why is it an or?
Why isn't it?
Why? E aua.
That is interesting why our tupuna deemed waka as or. And I think it's because it helps you to get somewhere. So you're benefiting
Aye.
from it. And it's also could be deemed too as like a shelter, so it comes in the whare
Aye.
category too, like that sort of whakaaro.
He whakaora anō hoki.
Yeah. So anyway, all is, waka is all category.
Waka is all.
So cars, motorbikes, horses.
Until you get hungry. Yeah.
Exactly. That's right.
Yeah.
I can think of lots of funny a'o conversations we've had.
Aye.
Yeah, mo te a'o.
He wahanga ka,
Yeah,
he wahanga
yeah.
o te tinana.
Ana.
Yeah, hoi no.
So yeah, anything you ride in that's deemed transport is all.
Is all. Kia ora.
And it could be another, write that one down because I got something I want to talk about.
He's got something.
A wānanga.
What's to do there?
So aeroplanes,
Aye.
helicopters, that's all. It's all in the all category.
Yeah. And see, like, even, like, I can see double kawe.
Yeah.
You know, because he waka tūroro, an ambulance.
Yeah.
He whakaora, he waka hoki.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
But I can see how our tupuna saw waka as an o.
Yeah.
Very easily, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ko te waka tērā, e te iwi. Next one. Next kawe.
Whakaruru hau.
Whakaruru hau.
Whakaruru hau.
Whakaruru hau meaning shelter.
Shelter, yes.
So yeah, anything that provides shelter for you.
Yep.
So housing, your abode.
Aye.
Ne o tōku whare, my home. Tō tātou marae.
Aye.
Tō tātou whare tupuna, our ancestral meeting house.
Kia ora. Tō tātou wānanga.
Tō tātou wānanga. Tō tātou tari, our office.
Our office, kia ora.
Ne, so that's whakaruru hau. I got another one too.
What's your one?
What's your one?
Tōku arai ua.
Yes. See, so put that one down.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
talk about that at the end.
Next kawe is whakarake.
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 And this would be an interesting one too.
Adornments.
Yes, adornments.
Yeah.
Or things you wear on your body.
Aye.
Yep. So your clothes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Wow. Yes. No, but so because I would deem some of those things as whakaruru hau, or is that where you're heading?
Such as.
Such as a jacket.
Yep.
Or what about a bulletproof vest?
Oh, that's a whakaora.
Wow, a whakaora, he whakaruru hau hoki.
There you go.
Yeah.
So,
And if it's for fashion, which unless you're 50 cent.
tōku tihate,
Aye.
my t-shirt. Ōna tōkena, his or her socks. Or ōkuhu, my shoes. You know, it's all whakarākai.
Kia ora.
Taino ki ngā taonga.
Aye. Ngā... Oh, where nei?
Kawape ko e nei. Engari, pihe ngā taonga whakarākai.
Ah, yeah. Why would those, do you think, they would be deemed as an o kawe? He kawe o.
Well, I think maybe now we wear them more as adornments, but I think previously they were a part of everyday clothing.
Yep. And they were prized,
Because I know that's also a debate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know, if I'm wearing my taonga pounamu
Yeah.
and I'm wearing, say, just a normal rubber band strap that they wear today,
Yeah.
does that have the same significance
Yeah.
or the same mana to be an o as well as my taonga pounamu?
Yeah.
I always thought pōtai was because it had something to do with the head.
Both.
Yep.
Yeah, both. Next one.
Have we done them all? So what have we done? Whanaunga,
Whanaunga.
whakāhua,
Whakāhua.
waka,
Waka.
wāhanga,
Wāhanga.
whakarākai,
Whakarākei.
whakaruru hau,
Whakaruru hau.
whakaora.
Whakaora.
Te wheke!
One more left.
Is there one more left?
Yes. Wāhi.
Wāhi. Kia ora.
So place.
Tēnei
Places.
kupu.
Okay.
Tāre wāhi nei.
So I think I used marae before. So tō
Yes.
tātou marae. Tōna marae. His marae. Marae is a place.
Yep.
Tōna whenua.
Ai.
Tō whenua. Your land. Tō rohe.
Tō rohe.
Your
ai.
area. So wāhi. Country.
What would be iwi?
Or whanaunga.
True that.
Yeah.
See, there you go, e te iwi. Just asking on behalf of someone.
Taringa, taringa.
I'm going to go back to the whanaunga because Mokena done a cool action
Yes.
the other day, which is something that's a bit of a trend
Yeah.
in in teaching art.
And easy to envision.
With whanaunga, with relationships. So if you can imagine everybody, close your eyes and actually do it yourself. Hold both hands up above yourself. Oh no, yeah, in a circle. Hey.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Stick one tongue out. Stick your tongue out.
And then, do a head jiggle. Nah. Okay, that is a awe.
Kia ora.
Okay? So if you started over here, your shoulder length, and you went up like this, in a natural movement, and then brought your fingers together into a circle.
Ever so slightly.
There you go. And be comfortable and be one with yourself. Okay.
All is well.
That's all.
But I can see that.
So that's everybody on that level, whanaungatanga, and up is all. Okay? Tōku pāpā, tōku koraua, ōku tūpuna is all. Everybody from that level, yours level up.
I can see that because I start at shoulder height, and everyone shoulder to me, on my level, is all, and then upwards. There you go, te ui.
Now put those hands back at the side and go down and make it like your sides of the A.
Kia ora.
Like it being a triangle, or you're trying to be a wharenui.
Or a penguin.
Yeah, A korora.
A korora. Kororareka.
Koina te take ngō te ingoa.
He reka te korora ki reira.
He reka te korora. Ngā pui are penguin eaters, people.
Penguin eaters.
Anyway, so you put your arms down like this, and now you're doing a ah.
Kia ora.
Okay, and that's our category in whanaunga. So these are the ones that you look after. Okay, I don't have to say they're under you, but look after. So they're, I don't want to say lesser beings.
But so if we plug into whakaruruhau, you are their whakaruruhau.
Ana.
That's why you're an awe to them.
That's right. Ka pai tēnā.
Kia ora.
That was nice. Okay, so that's your aku tamariki.
I'm getting sore arms.
Aku iramutu. Well, look, I'm not going.
Yeah, I'm resting. I'm resting.
Okay, so that's a way to think about your relationships in the o whanaunga. All right.
Me whakaronga pi kari.
We cover quite a lot,
Yeah, this is really cool.
Now should we head into the wānanga space now?
Yes.
Now, if you don't want to get confused, stop listening.
Yeah.
All right. But if you're interested and you find being confused really interesting, then keep listening.
Aye.
Okay.
Or if you've just finished that konai in your Te Reo Māori, keep listening.
Or whatever course you're doing.
Whatever reo course you are doing.
Because these are questions that, me and my reo dweeb mates, nerds, and poor Haiti is one because we have these discussions and they're really good. So it's a wānanga.
Aye.
Okay, so what's some of the ones we said we're going to go back?
So since we're on whanaunga.
Whanaunga.
Makau, tō whaiaipo, tō huarangatira.
Okay.
Ko oa.
So your other half, respectfully, is in the A category.
Oh, kia ora.
Okay.
Is that gender specific?
So when you'd say tāku wahine, you'd say tāku wahine, and the wahine would say tāku tāne.
Kia ora.
Okay, or the tāne might say tāku tāne, or And I think the whakaro behind that is, if we look at the whakaruruhau and the whakaro of kaitiaki, is that you see yourself as looking after them, and vice versa.
Kia ora. Yeah.
And vice versa.
That's a beautiful way to look at it because I don't know if it's a Western perspective or what, that people seem to think that they have to be under someone. Yeah,
no, it's that you look after them.
Yeah.
So they come into the A category. But interestingly, if you were to add the kupu hoa.
Yes.
Now, I've always been taught hoa is always awe.
Oh, kia ora.
Regardless of them being tō hoa pūmau, or, which is your lifelong friend or, trustworthy mate.
Or tō hoa riri.
Or tō hoa riri.
Ah, kia ora.
Also comes under all category. And I don't know why she swallowed the fly. I don't know why that, aua.
Aua hoki.
But yeah, so, tāku wahine translates, if you add hoa wahine, we get tōku hoa wahine.
Oh, kia ora.
Now, that could be because when someone is your hoa, now you're thinking of them that you've put yourself on their level.
Yes.
I should say, I don't want to say them on yours.
On your list, yeah.
Yeah, so I think, and this is actually a wānanga I have a lot that I have with people when we talk about the AO category.
And I think if you have an intention of saying it in such a way, that's what you're doing as well, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So say if you have to explain to someone,
Yeah.
you choose when to use it, I guess. Well, when you know how to use it or you understand it.
Yep.
That's very good. Tōhua rangatira. I was going to say miri.
Yeah, tama.
Yeah.
Next one.
Paitena.
It's another one we were going to have a wānanga about.
So back to waka in terms of plain.
Okay, so this is one that I've had in at Kurereo, and actually, I think it was a couple of years ago, Timothy, Te Haumihiata, Pānia, Leon, and I think maybe Murumara, they had a wānanga. I wasn't invited to this wānanga. But it was over AO, and it was actually a wānanga about some of these things.
Oh, kia ora.
And, say, what about a bulldozer?
Ai, nā te mea he waka mahi.
That's right. You're actually using it.
Yeah, it's a tool.
As a tool, even though you write in it.
Yeah.
So these are some areas where some people can get a bit mixed up with.
Yeah.
But some will say, no, I still see it as transport.
But its primary use, its primary purpose, the reason for its building is to be used as a...
What about a trakihana?
Mo te...
Tractor.
Ai.
So, like a farmer guy.
Yeah.
Or farmer lady. If you work on a farm, a lot of the time you're using your tractor as a mode of transport, not to do work on the farm.
Yeah.
So that's a good one to have wānanga about.
Yeah, that's a good one. Like especially like a hoiho in its time before tractor.
Yeah.
Was used as a hoiho plough.
Yeah, that's right. So when the hoiho is being used, hei parau, as a plough, then it's the A category.
Aye, it's a tool.
So you jump on it, then it's an O.
Kia ora.
Right. Okay, whakaruruha. I know we're going to talk about this one.
Whakaruruha. Yes, umbrella.
Hamarera or what? Hea tōkupu? Araiua. I like hamarera.
Yeah.
But you can use both. E te iwi, so you got araiua, which means to block the rain. Your rain blocker. Hamarera is a transliteration or phonetic transcription of umbrella.
Around our ways they say amarara.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
We say prodi.
Oh, yeah, prodi.
No. I just heard this auntie say brolly the other day.
Yeah.
Not many people use brolly anymore.
That's an old one.
Yep. Anyway, tō brolly.
Your brolly, it's in the room. Anyway.
Is it a A or a O?
I would consider it an O.
All the time?
Only in its use.
Okay, so when you're carrying it,
yeah,
and it's not being used as an umbrella, it's just a A.
Nā te mea he rākau.
He rākau, right. Until you put the umbrella up, then it becomes a O.
Becomes its,
as a shelter. Ne? What if, now here's a third one.
Aye.
What if kei te haua tō waiwai and you use your umbrella as a tokotoko?
Aye.
Now, is that a whakaora? Does that come to...
Well, if you took it...
Kawe whakaora?
Ki te tango i tō... I tō tokotoko, ka hinga ka tū tonu koe.
Yeah. Well, I think tokotoko is... because I know people say, no, tokotoko is A category. And I know in the Bible, I think it's ngā waiata. Ko tāu rākau, ko tāu tokotoko.
Ah, yeah.
It says in the Bible.
As a staff, eh?
Yeah.
Is it Valley of Death?
Yeah.
Something like that. Wow.
So food is our category.
Mm-hmm.
But when you say or, so or is an old term for food, which means sustenance.
Yep.
So or, this is where we get the whakatauki te amorangi kimua ko te hāpai o kimuri.
So, o on its own there is te kupu mo te kai.
O means sustenance.
I see. He whakaora.
Yes.
Kia ora.
Yeah, so it's all category. But kai comes under a category. Even though you get sustenance from it.
Yes.
But I think, because in the islands, kai is actually the verb, it's not the noun.
Oh, kia ora.
Or in Aitutaki.
Verb meaning the action, eh?
Yeah.
Aye.
Yep, so kai means to eat. Kai is not their word is maanga for food.
Maanga. Oh, kia ora.
Yep, so I think that's why
Yeah.
kai is it's the action of eating, and it became our kupu ingoa
For kai.
for food. Yeah,
The the generalisation of
yep.
things to be ingested. Sure. That's cool.
So that's a wānanga.
He wānanga tēnā.
Yeah, and hey, that's, he tino pai tēnā kawe ho, that's actually a new way of looking at art or.
Yes.
Now that we know what's good and what's bad for
Aye, yeah.
you. I mean, sugar is not, sugar really isn't good for you.
Yeah, yeah.
There's sugar in everything. It's natural sugars, but you shouldn't be eating sugar. So if you looked at R as having no, benefit,
Yeah.
really,
Yeah.
even there's sugar and things. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Everybody
I know.
knows what I mean. If you're
And it could
listening
be
to me.
a personalised thing.
Yeah,
The way that we look at things. Like you could have what if you had an allergy towards broccoli?
yeah.
What if you had to eat a broccoli and you'd die?
Then it's not a whakaora,
Then
eh?
it's not a whakaora. He tēnā ki
Yeah.
a koe, mena
Yeah.
he mate broccoli au.
Now, why?
Wai, kia ora.
Why is always or.
Yep.
Hey, we said it's always, but there are instances when it isn't. So when it's being used to wash clothes,
Kia ora.
or using it, it becomes a
As a utensil,
because you're using it for something. So, like te wai kaukau, te wai horoi. So te wai horoi a te iwi, the washing waters of the iwi.
Oh, yes.
Okay, meaning that's where they wash their
it
clothes.
was their wash, yeah.
Ne? But te wai kaukau o te taniwha. So the swimming waters of the taniwha, in that
He wahanga tēnā?
he wāhanga and he whare.
He whare. Kia ora.
Yeah, that's where the taniwha lives.
Aye. That's watery grotto.
Yes.
Watery dwellings. What about things like tāmoko?
Or,
Or
yeah,
what if it was... Oh, because he whakarake.
he wāhanga.
Oh, he wāhanga. True.
Yeah.
So what about the difference between that and just a tattoo? Or is it significance pertaining to the person and experience?
I think, this is noku e nei whakaaro, I think regardless of whether it's tāmoko or a kirituhi or a tattoo, it becomes a part of you.
Kia ora.
Can't wash it off.
Yep.
It's in your skin, it's in your toto, so it becomes
O
all.
wāhanga. Oh,
Yeah.
kia ora.
Yeah. I think this will generate some pātai on our pukamata page. So, yeah, if you've got any pātai or you want to put some whakaaro on there to wānanga,
Yeah.
then do so. A-o is a big part of speaking te reo.
Aye.
And I think it was Ruka Broughton who said the signal to him of a good reo speaker is where they use their a-o, and if
Yeah.
they can use the a-o.
Or the manipulation of it to
Yeah.
indicate something.
Yeah,
eh?
and the e-ki. Well, exactly, we didn't even get into that.
Yeah.
So I could say, here we go again, we just, some more wānanga.
Yeah.
I could say, so puka puka is object, right? If I was to say te puka puka a Paraone, or te puka puka a Puaheiri, would mean the
yes.
book that belongs to Puaheiri. If I said te puka puka o Puaheiri,
Aye.
that would mean the book that's about
About, yes.
Puaheiri.
Aye.
Yeah, you get into all those as
Get it,
well.
yeah. Like te tangi o te pere, te tangi a te pere.
Te pōraka o mōkena. So the jersey of mōkena meaning it belongs to him. Te pōraka a mōkena, meaning this is the jersey that mōkena made.
Aye. I think we used, this is the helts that Jack built.
Yeah, same. Te
No,
whare
no.
o haki, te whare a haki.
Aye. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so if you can get your head around those e te iwi, you can see what the line is telling you.
yeah,
What the text or what the kōrero is saying.
yeah. Like if I said tāu rākau or tōu rākau.
Aye.
We'll leave that one there for you to wānanga. Yeah.
Taringa, taringa.
Oia, no, e mihi ana ki tēnei kaupapa, te a-o. Again, as I said, you might want to engage on no, you should actually. We encourage you to put any whakaaro on our Facebook page. Engari, ka nui tēnā mō tēnei wā.
Ai.
Koina tā tātou wāhanga a-o i tēnei wiki. And don't forget, our kiwaha, aua.
Aua.
I'd say tō tātou wānanga if I was referring to the noun, te tuingoa, te wānanga o Aotearoa. So yeah, wānanga is both kupu mahi and kupu ingoa.
Kia ora.
Kupu tuingoa, okay? Anhei tātou, i tā tātou wānanga, i roto o Taringa, i tō tātou wānanga o te wānanga o te roa, nei māua ko te puaheiri. E mihi atu ana kia koutou katoa, tēnā koutou.
Yo, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing at the hooker force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira. Whakarongo pi kari mai, hare mai. O Taringa, hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that